Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? Good! Because if you clicked on, you are ready for a food review on 75 South Barbecue. Yeah, okay. Now I just want to take a moment to say, South Barbecue, you know who I am. You forgot my banana pudding. But that ain't what I came to you for. But I'm going to let you know it was forgetting. Okay? But anywho, you get a free drink. You get a free drink. 75 South food. I'm here to share it with you. So what we have is some delicious mac and cheese. Now they give you plenty. They give you plenty. And some green beans with smoked turkey in it. Right? And you got some delicious ribs. Now again, they did forget my homemade banana pudding, but we're going to charge it to the game, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly taste test this for you guys. Let's see. Oh, okay, got a little bit of pull. Okay, got a little bit of pull. Oh, yeah. Okay. That cheddar hit right there. That's cheddar cheese. And I like it. Yeah. I like it. Kind of make me think I was in the kitchen. I don't know. Yes. No complaints. Okay. Let's try their lemonade. I think they said it was pink lemonade and something. I don't know. Oh, that's perfect. It's not sugary. It got just the right amount of sugar, I guess, they added. Or they, I don't know. And you could taste the lemon in, the after. Oh, yeah, that's so good. Okay. So let's go on over here into these green beans. Now, if you're not a green bean lover, what are you thinking, right? Because I'm a green bean lover, okay? I love me some green beans on a good day. And I was going to cook some green beans, y'all. Y'all see my little Kai? Okay, let's go in here for the taste.
We're making my food.
Y'all, they aunties and uncles taught them how to cook. You could taste it all up in there. Will I go back because of these two items? Yes, I would. Yes, I would. And I suggest you too. Okay? I'm not going to send you nowhere where I won't eat. Okay? And I said it just like that. I won't eat. Take a look. Y'all see that shredded turkey all up in there? Now, I can already tell the ribs are fall off the bone. Okay?
I got my food.
Now, I'm not going to tell a fib. There it goes. That's that tenderness. Now, what I will say is I do not like the fact they didn't give me no extra barbecue sauce. Okay?
I'm not trying it.
You can take the smoke flavor, taste it. And I will say, they definitely grilled. They had to pick out there while we was out there. Okay? Yeah. They know what they doing. Ooh, y'all. This is really good to eat and everything. They give you a healthy plate. It's definitely worth your money. So yeah. Tell any and everybody go over to Southwest 75 South. I said South. Barbecue. And yeah. Help brothers and sisters out. Okay? Because they know what they're doing. And like I said, you could taste it in the food. It's definitely soul food. Mm-hmm.
It's just my food.
I would say keep the kitchen with the same cook. Unless you want me to come over there and work, okay? But until then, you guys, I'm going to get ready to close this video out.
I close your video.
Huh? She just like a grandmama. Still want to be on the camera. Y'all, this macaroni cheese is the bomb along with the green bean. I'll see you guys